Remember, ladies, we can do it.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, pumpkin scream in the dirt.
My first Halloween costume that I'll be recreating is Rosie the Riveter. So if you want to see how to do this easy look, let's get to work, guys. Okay, let's start with makeup. I'm going off of the picture that I will be showing you right here. As you can see, she's wearing very light lipstick, and it looks like she just has some eyeliner and some really beautiful lashes. Sorry, I look really dead right now, but it's Halloween season. You're allowed to look dead. So some concealer, cover up all the dark spots and blemishes. To look less dead. Should have done a Halloween look for a zombie. Just showed you my natural face. Now put on your foundation. The picture looks like she has a very nice bronzed face. Let's get to bronzing. Let's get some blush on. She has a very lightly blushed face. Again, use any products that you have. These are just the basics. Now for the dark defined eyebrows, let's get to it. Hers look very dark. If you're not comfortable with the dark eyebrow, it's alright. Look at that rosy eyebrow. Dark and perf. We will be applying some eyeliner to the top lid. So first, let's curl. She doesn't have like a wing to it, it's just like dark hair stuff. If you want false eyelashes, do it. I don't wear false eyelashes, so top it off with some mascara. So I'll be using e.l.f.'s Tea Rose, the matte lip color. If you want to go in with a red lipstick, go for it. I just can't find my red lipstick. I'm going to top it off with the Rosy Lips, because it just goes with it, okay? Now for the outfit tying. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is grab a Levi's shirt. The darker the better, but I have a light one, so we're gonna work with it. Next, we're gonna want to grab some jean pants, like so. Say hi, Thomas. Now for the work boots, because you know she was a hard worker. Grab some black boots. I have these black shiny boots from Target that I got like last year, I think. But they will do. Now that our outfit is put together, let's roll the sleeves. I can only go here for me, so I'm gonna pull them up like that. Now let's move on to the hair. You may use a red bandana, but if you look closely, you will see that her head wrap is red with polka dots on it. So this is what I'll be using. And if you have a curling iron, go ahead and curl those locks. I don't have a curling iron, but hey, my hair is a little bit curly. Okay, what you're gonna wanna do is pull out this little piece here, get the rest. Maybe pull some out here, here. You could either do a messy bun. That's what I'm gonna do here. Now if you curled it, it'll look really nice because you have curls here. This, I am going to twist it. I learned this from a girl that I went to elementary school. I thought it was weird, but hey, look it, I'm using it right now. There's this little curly thing. Get your bobby pins. Let's grab your fabric. Mine really isn't that long, but hey, I'm gonna use what I have. There you have it, quick and easy and last minute. You could get stuff that's been in your closet, or you could go and buy stuff. I mean, you could wear this whenever. You're always gonna wear jeans. You're always gonna wanna have that. And this, you could wear whenever. I hope you guys enjoyed. I plan to have more Halloween videos up for you guys, Halloween costume ideas that are quick and easy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Happy Halloween. I have no muscles, but hey, gonna work it.